Hello everyone, Don Master here. Late evening, but got something to come in Snap-on today, and these I've had for quite a few years, probably 5 years, and they're one of my favorite ratcheting wrenches. Even though they're Blue Point is my favorite, but for the reversible ratcheting wrenches, they're pretty nice and they're smooth, and I've never had a warranty one, and I use them a lot. I believe they're an 80 tooth design. They're nice. The switch is nice. I've had this 8 to 19 set for a long time, and put them on the high-vis rail here, but there's several spaces missing here, so I decided to get the bigger set, and it's pretty nice. So I picked up the BOE RM704. It's the 21, 22, 24, 25 ratcheting wrench set, reversible, from Snap-on, Blue Point, made in Taiwan. It was reasonably priced. Yeah, I could have gone Williams, but I just wanted to get it from my dealer, and they're pretty decent. So a couple interesting facts on the back here I'll show you here in a sec. So on the back, they're claiming, sorry, trying to get the light right, talk about the Blue Point line, up to 80 gear teeth for ratcheting in tight areas, low profile, easy action, reverse lever, won't get in your way. Now, I do agree that that's nice. These switches are nice. I've used them for a while. Tough, durable nickel chrome. So they're using the nickel chrome. Looks great and cleans up easy. Now, are these actually nickel chromed, or are they lying? Because I'll show you what they say in here. 15 offset, obviously. Flank drive, the proven design for turning fasteners. Now, I wasn't aware that the flank drive was used on their Blue Point wrenches. Never heard of that. So, let me know what you guys think about that. I know they don't have flank drive on the open end. Here's a big 25. That's a nice wrench. See, it's flat on that side, and it's just a 12 point on this side. So what's the flank drive? What's so special about it on a 12 point? Are they lying to me? But anyways, made in Taiwan. But it's a nice set. It really is. And it completed my ratcheting wrench set here. Makes it look very nice. Fills it out nice. So 8 all the way up. But we're missing one spot for the 25. So it's just going to have to lay back, or I'll have to remove the 8 and bump everything forward to fit the 25. But the 8 gets used a lot. GM battery terminals and whatnot. All sorts of stuff. Hose clamps. So I'm probably going to leave the 25 out just like that next to it. But look at that. Look at how much shinier those new Blue Points are. So anyway, I'm not a huge fan of Blue Point, but the reason I got these is because I've had really good luck with these reversible 80 tooth ratcheting wrenches. And, you know, they're half the price of the Snap-on ones. I do have these in SAE as well. I used to, and I traded them in for the USA Snap-on set, but it only goes to 3/4. And they're nice too, but they're really expensive. So that's the Blue Point 19. And once you get some years on these, they really smoothen out, I'll tell you that. I think there's one in here that's just butter. Not that one. I think it's the 15, 16, 15. See if you guys can hear that. It's just smooth. Anyway, that's that Blue Point set. With the brand new 4-piece set added onto it. So anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. I don't think I got anything else. Actually, I had a warranted item come in, but it was just a thread chaser. Thread repair kit. So I bought the Snap-on thread repair kit, rebranded Lang. I've always used just tap and dies for that kind of stuff, but I went ahead and bought that a year ago, and I finally twisted or broke one internal style die, but they do work better in certain situations than regular taps because you can bottom them, so they're more of like a bottom tap. That's one thing I've noticed better about the thread chasers, or the thread repair dies compared to regular taps and dies. They're made a little different. They clean better. They clean the threads out, I think, better. And you can bottom them without doing any damage. So anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. Have a nice night. Have a good one. Bye.